Welcome to episode 34 of Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. So, Kei-sensei, after winning that giant plushie at the arcade last time, my friends insisted we go celebrate. They dragged me into this massive building with glowing musical notes outside. I was terrified because back home, karaoke means singing terribly on a stage in front of 100 strangers. But Japan does it differently, right? What is the word and how does it actually work?
Welcome back, everyone. Oh, Leo, you went to karaoke. Yes, the word is karaoke, which actually combines empty and orchestra. And don't worry, in Japan, you sing in a private soundproof room called a box, just for you and your friends. No strangers allowed.
Oh, thank goodness. A private room changed everything. It was so much fun. But before I tell you about my terrible attempt at singing anime theme songs, let's make sure our listeners can pronounce this world-famous word the proper Japanese way.
Perfect. Listen to the flat rhythm and repeat after me. Karaoke.
All right, so we walk into the lobby and it looks like a futuristic hotel front desk. The staff member asks us how long we want to stay. My friend handled it, but if I went alone, how do I talk about time or booking a room for an hour?
When you check in at the counter, they will ask how many hours you want to sing. The word for time or hour when counting duration is jikan. So if you want to say 1 hour, you say 1 jikan. If you want to request it politely, you can say 1 jikan onegai shimasu.
Ah, onegaishimasu strikes again, our golden polite phrase. So if I want to book a room for 2 hours, I just change the number to ni and say 2 jikan onegai shimasu?
Spot on, Leo. You're a natural. Let's practice counting the hours for our listeners. First, the word for hour, jikan. And now, to request 1 hour politely, 1 jikan onegai shimasu.
Brilliant. So we get our room number, walk into this awesome little private booth with neon lights and a big screen. On the table, there's this heavy touchscreen tablet that looks like a spaceship controller. It's the machine used to pick songs, but it was entirely in Japanese characters. What do you call that song selection tablet?
Ha ha ha. Yes, those tablets are high-tech. The general word for the controller or remote is remokon, or specifically at karaoke, people call the system the denmoku. If you get stuck, you can change the language to English in the settings menu or ask your friends for help.
Oh, thank God there's an English button. But what if the tablet isn't on the table when I walk in? How would I use our classic doko desu ka phrase to ask the staff, where is the remote control?
Great question. You would just say, リモコンはどこですか? Let's practice. First, the word for remote, remokon. Now the full question. リモコンはどこですか?
Got it. リモコンはどこですか? So we start singing, and after 3 songs, my throat is completely dry. I notice a regular telephone attached to the wall. My friend picks it up, speaks into it, and 5 minutes later, someone knocks on the door with a tray of cold drinks and French fries. It was amazing. What do you call drinks in Japanese?
Singing is hard work. You definitely need refreshments. Drinks or beverages are called nomimono. Most karaoke places require you to order at least 1 nomimono as part of the room fee. You just press the button on that wall phone and order. You're ready to be a rock star in Tokyo, Leo. Before we order another coffee here at Cafe Jupiter, let's do a quick karaoke vocabulary check. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, how do we say karaoke? Karaoke. How about hour or time? Jikan. Remote control? Rimokon. And finally, drinks? Nomimono.
I grabbed that remokon, ordered a cold nomimono, and sang my heart out for 2 jikan. Best night ever. Thanks, Kei-sensei.
You're very welcome, Leo.
Next time on episode 35, we're exploring Japan's legendary nightlife even further. We're slipping into the tiny atmospheric alleyways called yokocho to find hidden bars. We'll learn how to ask if there's a cover charge and how to toast like a local.
またね。